I drew the eyebrows of the Grinch, they were frowning. This is the Grinch's eyes. I drew the nose of the Grinch. The Grinch's mouth is showing contempt. This is the Grinch's head. Here is the hair of the Grinch. I drew the cheeks of the Grinch. At the same time I colored the Grinch's chin. This is the neck and left shoulder of the Grinch. And finally the neck and right shoulders of the Grinch. These are two black pupils. I used the green to color the hair of the Grinch. I colored the entire forehead of the Grinch. The rest of the face of the Grinch. You know, the Grinch is the main character in the children's book titled How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Was released in late 1957. The Grinch is a character who always tries to steal every Christmas gift because it is jealous of the happiness of the children. Both the neck and the body of the Grinch I also use green to color. I use dark blue to color the brows of the Grinch. The same color for his eyes. And finally the dark green nose of the Grinch. Done. Have you drawn and colored the Grinch yet? Try it up. I always love you, so always support.